Google Pixel 2 Smart 2017. The phone comes with a 5.00-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. The Google Pixel 2 is powered by 1.9 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Google Pixel 2 packs a 12.2-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 8-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Google Pixel 2 runs Android 8.0.0 and is powered by a 2700 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 145.70 by 69.70 by 7.80, high-tech width x thickness, and weigh 143.00 grams. The Google Pixel 2 is a single SIM, GSM, smartphone that accepts a nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope. equals 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 equals. Google Pixel 2 detailed specifications. General. Release date November 2017. Form factor touchscreen. Dimensions, M, 145.70 by 69.70 by 7.80. Weight, G, 143.00. Battery capacity, mAh, 2700. Removable battery no. Colors just black, clearly white, kinda blue. SAR value 0.92. Display. Screen size, inches, 5.00. Touchscreen yes. Resolution 1080 by 1920 pixels. Hardware. Processor 1.9 GHz octa-core. Processor make Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. RAM 4 GB. Internal storage 64 GB. Expandable storage no. Camera. Rear camera 12.2 megapixel. Rear flash dual LED. Front camera 8 megapixel. Front flash no. Software. Operating system Android 8.0.0.0.0.